Hello friends! Today, I'm going to show you 6 simple tips to help you speed up your video creation process. By following the methods, I've produced videos every other day. It's tough, but it's possible. Creating videos with AI isn't always easy. Sometimes you might get stuck for a long time just trying to generate one image. That's why today, I'll share some methods with you to save as much time as possible. Tip 1. When making videos with AI, you'll often need image generation websites. One method I personally use is working with multiple AIs at the same time. For example, when I want to create an image, I first need a prompt. I ask ChatGPT to give me a few simple and clear prompts to use. Then, I open several sites that generate images and paste the prompts in. It might take a while for the images to be ready, but instead of getting 4 or 8 images, I might end up with more than 10. And one of them usually matches what I had in mind. Tip 2. Sometimes, no matter how hard you try, the image you're looking for just doesn't come out right. In these cases, you can use a shortcut. Many image generation sites display examples of their work on the front page. For instance, on Leonardo.ai, you can see images in specific categories. You can check out the most liked images by users. These are usually the best and most realistic ones. Sometimes you can even build your video around these images. I did this for one of my tutorials, and you can check it out in the link above. Tip 3. Using the bulk option on Canva is a game changer. With this feature, you can create lots of videos in bulk and upload them daily. This is super helpful for those making short videos. I've made a video explaining how long it takes to create these types of shorts, so if you're interested, make sure to check it out after this one. It'll definitely help you out. Tip 4. For videos that need voiceovers, it's a good idea to use AI-generated voices. This will save you time and give you high-quality results. There are many websites that provide this service, but in my opinion, 11 Labs is the best, offering tons of options. Their subscription is also affordable and worth it. I use it myself, and the voice you're hearing right now is AI-generated. I really like it. Tip 5. When creating animated videos, you might have several options to choose from, but most of the time, you need to find the site that gives you the best results. I usually try different methods to get a good outcome, but sometimes, one site does everything I need. You can ask ChatGPT to give you a list of 20 AI animation websites, then test them to find the best one. I suggest picking 1 or 2 and getting a subscription for them. I've compared some popular sites on my channel, and you can check them out in the link above. It'll give you a good idea of which one to choose. Tip 6. Using an easy yet professional video editing software is key. There are tons of programs and websites that offer editing services, but I believe CapCut is the best and easiest one to use. Its user interface is very simple, and you don't need any special knowledge to work with it. You can see most of the plugins without having to memorize effects or transitions like in Premiere. Plus, if you subscribe, you'll get access to amazing features. I highly recommend giving it a try. I hope you found these tips helpful. Let me know about your experiences in the comments. Your likes and subscriptions help support me a lot. Thank you for sticking around until the end. And until next time, happy creating!